Hi everybody, once again, Tony from AZ Quadcopters. Hit our little field that we kind of practice on here. It's south part of town. It's open lot here, near traffic and stuff, but had pretty good luck here. Aircraft is warming up right now. My eye today is that crane down yonder way. It's not too far away. It's just put up here in the last few weeks, putting up a building over there. And so we thought we'd fly over and take a peek. Leave plenty of room, plenty of space. I know there's wires around there, so we're gonna try and stay far enough away from it. But that's kind of the plan as of now. A little windy today. I mean, it's not crazy. I'd say 7-8 miles an hour, gusting. And turning on the cam in 3, 2, 1. Very cool. Okay, we're looking good. Do a buzz around the field here real quick. So I've flown this part over here before, then they put this crane up here, which there it is. I don't want to get too close just yet. Let's get up some altitude. I'm 60 feet, looks pretty good. There it is. I'm going to pull it forward a little bit. "171 feet, we're 1,500 feet out, 171 feet in the air. 14 satellites hanging on. Just right at the street. Let's see if we can get a better view of it. There it is. About 250 feet. This is my orbit. This is not a point of interest. This is the slow orbit for me. Looking at this big old crane with wires that could eat this copter for lunch. So we're going to go nice and easy around it. Certainly don't want to make the news today. 15 satellites, 80% on the battery, all looking good. Yeah, it's sunset in it, nice. There it is. Pretty sharp. Let's bring it down a little bit. Maybe we'll take a little, get in there just a little bit closer, take a peek. I mean, we don't want to see what the guys had for lunch and how dirty his working room up top is. We don't want to get that close, but we'll take a look. Coming down. Now 220 feet. Move in a little bit. I mean, ever so gently. Nice, beautiful crane. Yes, as far as cranes are concerned, this is probably a pretty nice one. Not that I know a damn thing about cranes. So this is all manual flying, no fancy equipment here. This is all me working the sticks. A little bit. This is where you're flying other copters without all this fancy stuff comes in handy. You learn a little bit. That is nice. Let's see if I can snap a picture here. Shutting video off. 3, 2, 1. So yeah, man, it's pretty sharp. I didn't know I gave such good crane. Alright, it's a joke. That's a joke. Flying the crane, Chandler, Arizona. All manual flying here. No fancy point of interest. Nothing like that, man. This is the real thing. Digging that sunset. Look at that. See what kind of picture that'll be. Back to video. Running video. We're turning off and on here, just doing some fancy work here. So, but anyway, I think it looks pretty cool. I mean, how long can you look at a crane? I get it. Alright, I'm gonna buzz up here, get back up where I belong. And I'm right down at the end of that field that you're looking at right there, straight down the road. Get back up to about 250 feet. Right there, 253.9, and fly right over the top, heading back home. Yes, indeed. Bye-bye, crane. Very cool. Well, I kind of enjoyed that. A little something different. Here's what I'm looking at right there. I'll go ahead and bring it home and put her down. Alright, wow. Not sure what's going on. Not sure at all. Keep it real low right around here. Nice low run. 32% low batteries coming up here. Getting ready, might as well bring her on in. Hopefully we got some good crane. Look pretty good from my angle. I don't know, we'll look at it. Hopefully it'll come out good and I'll make this video. We'll see. So there it is, boys. Phantom 3 Advanced. And come up here, find a nice soft place. There's my 30% low battery.